So now this non-issue really with basketball star Kyrie Irving, now banned from practicing or playing games by his franchise team, the Brooklyn Nets, because he refuses to get vaccinated because, of course, the state has a mandatory vaccination policy for all professional athletes. Of course, we are days away from the start of the new NBA season, and the healthy Brooklyn Nets, including Kyrie Irving, must be the big favorites for the title. Now, with Kyrie standing firm against being vaccinated, my issue is, what is the issue? I mean, Kyrie Irving is a star among many stars in the NBA and one of 3 superstars in the Brooklyn Nets team. So the NBA don't start and stop with Kyrie Irving. He's an adult making an adult choice with ensuing adult consequences. If he wants to play in the NBA, he should get vaccinated. If he don't want to get vaccinated, he cannot play in the NBA. What is so complicated about that? In fact, I think Kyrie's absence from the Brooklyn Nets would be a blessing in disguise for the league. It would give the other teams a fighting chance and make the league more competitive. Yes. So basically then, all is well that ends well. Brilliant.